CKA Challenge Question 37. This question has the weightage of 7%. Create a pod Nginx k8s using image Nginx and init container git k8s with image alpine/git. Volume mount path of the main container /user/share/nginx/html. Nginx index.html needs to be override with shared volume. Index.html file cloned from the below path. This question is asking you to create a Kubernetes pod named Nginx k8s using the Nginx image as the main container and an alpine/git image as the init container. The main container should be mount a shared volume at the path /usr/share/nginx/html and the init container should be cloned as index.html file from the specified GitHub repository and override the default index.html file that comes from the Nginx image. To complete this task, you will need to create a Kubernetes YAML manifest file that defines the Nginx k8s pod, including the main container, init container and the volume mount configuration. The main container should use the Nginx image and mount a shared volume at the /user/share/nginx/html path. This will allow the init container to override the default index.html file with the cloned version from the specified GitHub repository. The init container should use the alpine/git image and clone the index.html file from the specified GitHub repository. The init container should then mount the shared volume and override the default index.html file. After you have created the Kubernetes YAML manifest file, you can use the kubectl command to apply the configurations and create the Nginx k8s pod. Once the pod is running, you can verify the index.html file has been overwritten by checking the context of the shared volume mount path in the main container. This task is useful for creating a customized Nginx deployment in a Kubernetes cluster and can be extended to include additional customizations and configuration options. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first, but if you encountered any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solutions. Good luck.
Okay friends, so we are using the EKS cluster. So you can see that we have the EKS client from where we are passing all the commands, and these are the two nodes. Okay, so let me connect the EKS client. So I am using the AWS console window for the connections as well. And this is the page which we are going to override. So it's placed into the GitHub in the same locations. Okay, and we are going to use it. Okay, so if you go into the k8s Nginx, we have the index.html file available. Okay, so if you look into the index.html file, it has some content that we are going to override with the default Nginx HTML page. Okay, so EC2 instance get connected. Now we are going to root, just change the root. Okay, we log in with the root user. Okay, so now we are going to create a file, the pod file, which we have the requirement as per the questions. We have two container, one is the main and one is another one is the init container, and we are using the mount to do all the stuff. Okay, so let's do it. We will call it pod.yaml. So here we are going to go into the insert mode, and after that we are going to use the same as we did previously many times for the creation of the pod. So API version will be v1 and kind will be the pod. Okay, P will be the capital. I think you all are familiar with all these things. Metadata. Okay, so here we are going to name our container. Okay, so name will be nginx KAS. Okay, so this will be the name of our pod. Okay, and the main container name will be exactly same. Okay, so and then specifications, we have container. This will contain the main image, main container, you can say containers, and which have the image of nginx. Okay, and the name will be same as the name of the pod. Okay, port it's not mentioned, but by default we can provide if you want. This is something extra that we are doing. By default it goes with the 80 port only. But it will be good to have a port declarations as well. Okay, now volume mounts. Okay, mount path as mentioned in the question, USR share nginx HTML. Okay, and the name of the volume it's not mentioned in the question, you can name it accordingly like my data. Okay, now for the init container, init containers, we have the name as mentioned in the question, git KAS. Okay, and the image that we are going to use is the alpine for it. And we are going to use some commands in the Kubernetes. It's called args, just to clone it. Okay, so what we are going to use, we are going to use the clone. Okay, using single branch the path will be, I need to copy it. Okay, and let's go into the data. Okay, so this is fine. For the volume mount, for init container, mount path data, as I already mentioned, name will be same. Okay, and for the volumes, name we are using my data empty dir. Let's save it. Applied CTL apply -f So if all goods, then it will create successfully. Let kubectl get pod. So init container will initiate first. So it's currently running. It's deployed all the things into the environment very fast because we have the Nginx available in my system. That's why. So let's go into the container. Okay, kubectl interactive command with the Nginx KTS. Using the browser, sometimes it's slow. When you type, it will render, will take some time. Using the bash. So I'm inside the container, inside the, you can say inside the pod. So now I'm going to the main container. Okay, we are going to cd the path user share nginx html. We are going to ls. We have the index.html page. Let's get it. So you can see that we have the available content. Like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is the same as we have here. So from the remote locations, we bring a file to our local system using the shared volume. We placed it at this particular locations. You can test it by using the curl command also. When you can deploy a pod, testing pod in the in any of the node, and then you can ping this particular pod IP. You can test it in this way as well. You can jump into the particular pod for the main container, and then you can browse that particular path for the file location and browse that particular file. You can test in a both way.